Did you know you can share huge files online for free without asking people to install anything? Here are the 5 best file sharing websites in 2026. At number 5 is File.io. It's perfect for private file sharing because your file can automatically delete after it's downloaded. Number 4 is Transfer Now. It offers up to 5 gigabytes for free and lets you protect your files with a password. Coming in at number 3 is SendGB. You can share files up to 5 gigabytes without creating an account, making it fast and simple. At number 2 is WeTransfer, one of the world's most popular file sharing platforms. Just upload your file, copy the link, and send it to anyone. And taking the number 1 spot is Swiss Transfer. It offers an incredible 50 gigabytes, completely free, with no registration required. You also get password protection, download limits, and fast transfer speeds. So if you need the biggest free file sharing service, Swiss Transfer is the clear winner. Which one do you use the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech videos.